Hey you guys, it's Tanya. What's going on? So I am going to go run some errands real quick, and I just did this quick glam because I just wanted a little bit extra. Not like too much, but just a little bit extra. And so I want to do a quick video showing you guys what I used to achieve this look. Now, this may look like a lot of time was spent, or it may not. I don't know what you know about makeup, but I thought this would be helpful for people out there who maybe are older and never really got interested in makeup until now. And then now that they're interested, they don't know where to go, where to start, what to use. So, disclaimer, these are the items that I use. I'm not saying they're the best. I'm not saying they're the only things that you should use. I'm just saying this is what I use. I have, as you can tell, brown skin, and I have oily skin in my T-zone, all right? I'm trying to think what else. I think that's it. So without further ado, go ahead and get started. So when I'm doing my quick look, that means no foundation, no primers, no moisturizers outside of what I do normally for my daily skin moisturizing. It's a very quick and simple get ready. So let's get started. Again, I think I just said that, so I apologize. The first thing I always do is my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I use my eyebrow pencil by MAC and Stud. All I do is outline my brows first, and then after I outline them, then I use like wide strokes to kind of fill them in. After I do that, I follow up with my Benefit Cabral in number 5. Now, this comes with a little brush to kind of brush this product into your brows. No one uses this. It's a hot mess. Don't use this. Instead, I use my Sigma brush, which is the Sigma Line Perfector in E68. And I just dip it in there like literally twice, 1, 2. And then I do my left brow, and then I flip it over and do my right brow. We're done. Next thing after that is I put on my powder. Now, I have a light coat of powder on my face, which gives me an even appearance, and it looks like foundation, but it's not. It's just powder. That way, it's not clogging up my pores. It's not really heavy. It doesn't feel caked on. Like, I cannot feel this product after I apply it. So I use an oldie but a goodie. This is the MAC Studio Fix. This works really well on my skin and doesn't cause me to break out. So I love this. I've been using this product for a very long time. I would say probably since my mid-20s, I would think. And what I do, instead of using the sponge that it comes with, I use my e.l.f. Kabuki brush. And I got this, I think, at Target. But just put that on, over my eyes, all over my face. We're done. We're done. After that, today, I want to look sun-kissed, so I use some of my bronzer. That's all I use, you guys. This bronzer, which I really, really love, is the Becca Sunlit Bronzer called Maui Nights. I love this color. A lot of times, finding a bronzer as a brown skin person is very challenging because they're usually too muddy, so meaning they're too brown and too dark, or they're too red. So you just look crazy. It doesn't really warm you up as much as it makes it look like you have hives or something. This color for me is perfect. It's like a warm red, not too red though. It's a soft brownish red, terracotta, and there's a little bit of shimmer in it, so it definitely gives me warmness. I'm supposed to cover that up, aren't I? I just put this on my cheeks today, and that was it. And oh, I think I put some down here also. Some days I'll put it up here on my eyebrow just as a highlight. I might even put it above my brow as a highlight and up in here. It just depends. Today it was very quick, so I just did my cheeks. After that, I just wanted a little bit of smoke on my eyes, and I wanted to kind of like blend what I was wearing today. So I pulled out my Jeffree Star Blue Bud palette, and I used the color Undertaker Only, which is this really, really dark navy blue color. I only use that color, you guys, and I use 2 brushes, all right? So I use the first brush, which is my MAC 224, to just put it on my eyelid. I put more on the edge and then it's kind of lightly went into the middle. And then after I did the application, I used my Morphe M505 just to kind of blend it out. So literally, after you put it on with your MAC 224, you just kind of go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until you blend the color up where you get a gradient. So where at the bottom it's dark, but as you go up higher, it gets lighter. So you're basically pushing that product up and then spreading it out, okay? That's all I did. The longest part of this whole process was my eyelashes. I am all about my eyelashes and my eyelids, you guys. So the first thing I put on was my Lancome liquid eyeliner. This is called the Art Liner by Lancome, and this is the color Black 01. I've been using this for over 20 years. Even when I was poor in college, I would save up all my money for my work, my second job, and I would just get these as they were needed. Like now that I'm older and have an adult money, I have backups. But back then, when one ran out, I just bought another one. But it was a lot of money back then. So this is the only eyeliner I've ever used that stays on my eyes no matter what. I can sweat, I can wipe and rub from sweat, and it will stay on my face. I absolutely love this eyeliner. This is my absolute favorite. I will use this for life, all right? After I put on my liquid eyeliner, we then get to the 3-step process that are my eyelashes. These are all Lancome products. So I first start with my curl booster. The reason why I have this in a small size is because this gets really dirty and nasty real quick, okay? Because it's kind of getting mixed with other stuff. And so I like to throw these away very frequently. But this is just like, it's like a base. I love this because I feel like it conditions my eyelashes and keeps them protected so that I don't lose my eyelashes. And I'll show you what this looks like. See, it used to be white. So this is about time to throw this away. I never buy this in the full size because, like I said, I throw these away very frequently. This might last me 2 months, maybe, before I throw it out. After I put on my base, I then use my Lancome Hypnose Drama. You guys, I love this stuff. This one, hold on, and this one, the Lancome Monsieur Big. Oh my gosh. Both of these I swear by. If you want thick, natural lashes, the Hypnose Drama is the way to go, or the Monsieur Big Lash. And then after I put this on to thicken my lashes, I use my Lancome Definicils, boop, to separate out my lashes and elongate. People ask me all the time if I'm wearing fake lashes, and it really is just Lancome. That's it, you guys. So then lastly, after that, I just use today 2 of my favorites. This is an oldie but goodie, which is my MAC Lip Liner in Chestnut. And then I put on my lip gloss, which is Pat McGrath's Labs in Bronze Temptation. You guys, this is one of 3 Pat McGrath lip glosses that I swear by. I've kind of forgotten about all my other lip glosses and I hardly ever use them now because of these 3. I swear by them. They last forever. The color is perfect for my brown skin, and I like the way they smell too. It's not overwhelming. It's very soft. And then lastly, I just spray my face with some of the the Fix Plus setting, Fix X, I think it's Fix Plus, setting spray by Urban Decay. That's it, we're done. So it took me longer to explain to you guys what I do than it actually took me to do all this. Like I said, I probably did this whole look in less than 8 minutes. So if you want a little bit of makeup with maximum effects, this is the way to go. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, please put them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like me, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Holla!